up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here in Munds Park, Arizona with some family and we're going to be heading out to Sedona area today. But one thing I did mention before is I wanted to get some sort of trail day in while I was here in Arizona, and since my family's going to be with me, I'm not going to be doing anything too crazy. I did find like a really easy trail that we could take all the way from Munds Park straight to Sedona. It's called like Schnebly Hill Road or something like that. It's gonna take about 2 hours. It should be like a chill, wide open, like rocky road, but for the most part I think there's probably some obstacles on the side of the road, but if not, it's fine. I think my family will enjoy it since they're going to be riding with me, and right now I'm just double checking all my equipment, that way I can air down when I need to. I usually use this big Husky box in the back just to like keep my dual air compressor, my pump and dump. Even though it's an easy trail, I'm excited to take the Cayenne out. But this is where we're at in Munds Park. We're staying at this Airbnb cabin right now. It is cold. It wasn't snowing obviously, but I'm definitely going to be making it out to the snow since season's coming up. But for now, let's head over to the trail. Got a nice view out here. We're here at the first viewpoint. My camera is like messing up so I can't even record, but this is what we're seeing right now. I forgot to film an outro to the video, but overall it was a good trail. Obviously, by the way it looks, there's no crazy like obstacles or anything. It was pretty rocky for the most part. I would say it is a rough ride, but other than that, it's a really cool trail if you're in that area. If you want something easier, but that has some scenic value to it, I definitely recommend that. I do want to go back since some of my family actually lives out in Arizona. I want to do the Broken Arrow Trail or anything like that, but hopefully that'll come soon in the future. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. My camera kind of took a crap on me during that trip, which is why most of the footage is filmed with my iPhone. It doesn't do it too much justice, but at least I got something. Anyways, after the holidays, we're gonna have more trail days and more of the off-roading type content coming up. I am going to be posting again about the M3 and more content with that. A lot kind of going on, but like I said, I'm just going to film and document everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.